Hello and welcome. We'll be going over the introduction to LogZilla rules. For those unfamiliar, LogZilla is a network event orchestrator. What this means is that LogZilla watches information streams such as log files, deduplicates, filters, and parses the log event messages. And it will react to those events in real time, from sending out email alerts up to and including automatically remediating problem conditions. For this video, we'll be talking about LogZilla rules. Rules are one of the central features of LogZilla. They are key to extracting information from the incoming log messages. That information can then be used to display in a widget, to search, to filter, and even to create email text. Rules are composed of two parts, the rules test and the rule program. It's best to start with the rules test because that helps clarify what you're trying to do, as well as providing the proof that it's going to work and what you want. So the test is broken up into parts. The first part describes what the incoming log message is going to look like. Here at the top, we indicate what the syslog program field is going to be on the incoming log message. Next is a sample of the log message text. This part varies a great deal from one log message to the next, but not for the sake of our test. We should just choose a typical example. Okay, that tells our rule what the incoming log message is going to look like. The next part of the test describes what's going to happen to the log message after the rule is finished running. In the case of this rule, it's doing several actions. First, you see the program name that's coming in on the log message has the extra text at the start, which we want to get rid of. So our rule will remove that, and now the expect portion of the test shows what the program should be changed to. Next, you see that the test has new message text. The rule will be modifying the explanatory text part of the message. Last, the test describes new user tags that are set. User tags are covered in a different LogZilla video, but in short, they are key data elements that can be used to display, for searching, for filtering, and for emails. In this test, we're saying that the rule will be creating the one user tag with this value. So the first part of the rules test sets up the input for the rule. The rule runs, and then the second part of the rules test checks to see if the rule did what was expected. Now let's look at the rule program. The rule program is just a small Lua program that tells LogZilla what to do with each log message. You can use any of the resources on the web to find out more about Lua. Besides some minor technical details, the rule program itself has two parts. The first part is a Lua LPEG expression. LPEG expressions are conceptually the same as regular expressions. They give the rule a template for what the log message is supposed to look like and indicate what parts of the log message are of interest and should be captured. Lua LPEG is a more advanced topic, and I'll note that though it isn't the preference, standard regular expressions can be used at the cost of some performance. The second part of the rule program is the process function, which is the bit of program code that runs for every incoming log message. The process function is where all the actions happen that are indicated in the test files. The first part of the function is to check for that undesired program name and fix it. The second part of the function checks for the key value pairs that are expected to be in the incoming log message text. These key value pairs are found and extracted using the LPEG expression from earlier. The function then sets the appropriate user tags based on the key value pairs from the message text. Last, the function changes the log message text. The log messages come in with date and time text. This date and time are not used, so this portion of the function just removes that information from the message text. Not only does that help readability, it makes deduplication possible. This small portion at the bottom just tells the rule program which user tags it should be setting. So that's LogZilla rules. They are very powerful. They extract data from the incoming log messages as user tags for display, for searching, for filtering, and for emails. And they can change the log messages to be more useful. Rules may look complicated, but in principle they can be very simple, using fairly basic concepts pertaining to Lua and to what LogZilla is doing. Well, that's LogZilla rules. Please feel free to contact us on our website, logzilla.net. We'd be happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.